8 Sleep Pod Pro Max app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about the 8 Sleep Pod Pro Max app is that it's not just a sleep tracker, it's a complete sleep optimization system. Designed to pair with the high-tech 8 Sleep mattress, this app helps you monitor, adjust, and improve your rest like never before. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Pod Pro Max system combines comfort with smart technology. The app tracks your sleep patterns, heart rate, respiratory rate, and body temperature throughout the night. It then uses that data to automatically adjust your mattress temperature on each side, ensuring both you and your partner sleep comfortably. The app's sleep fitness score gives you an at-a-glance overview of how well you're resting. Premium features include real-time health tracking, detailed performance reports, and smart home integrations, meaning you can wake up to a perfectly timed alarm or even pre-hat your bed before bedtime. Now for the cons. The most obvious one is cost. Both the Pod Pro Max mattress and its connected app subscription are expensive. It's an investment in technology and comfort, but not everyone needs that level of precision. Another drawback is that it requires setup and consistent use to deliver its best insights. In conclusion, the 8 Sleep Pod Pro Max app is for those who view sleep as a science, not just a necessity. It's ideal for biohackers, athletes, or anyone looking to maximize rest and recovery. But for casual users, the price and complexity might make it more luxury than necessity.